Hi guys, this is Mark. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna introduce you our storage battery pack DIY kit, and this is all the components here. You only need to do is to put your battery cells into this battery case, then connect all the components together, and then the battery pack will work. So let's take a look. Here is the battery case for 60 strings LiFePoPo battery pack with 280 ampere hour to 340 ampere hour battery cells. And here is all the components. This is the PCB board to connect the battery cells one by one. And this is the wire to connect it between the PCB board with this BMS, so you can easily to connect the battery cells via this PCB board. And this is the JKPB series 200 ampere BMS. It can support the battery pack connected in parallel. Bus bar to connect battery cells in series. And here is the rubber in the middle of the bus bar for isolation. And here is the LCD display. You can monitor the battery states like the SOC or the voltage, and each battery cell's voltage, the states. You can monitor it via this LCD. This is the 250 ampere brake switch. If the battery pack got a short circuit, the switch will cut off the battery pack. It can protect your battery cells. And because this is for a high capacity battery cells, it cannot be wall mounted. This is the wells, and you can easily move this battery pack with this. And here, this battery pack have two negative and two positive terminals. This is the epoxy board installation battery cells each by each. And here is all the components for the storage battery pack DIY kit. So if you need this DIY kit, please contact me and leave a message. See you next video. I'm Mark.